Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel My Research Support. So friends, at the beginning of this video I would really like to say thank you very much to all of you. Because of your love and support we have completed few milestones. Our channel has completed 1 lakh subscribers family. Recently we have completed 5 million view on our channel My Research Support. Even if this channel belongs to a very specific category, because of your support we could gather this much of research scholars and academicians on a single platform. I remember when I had uploaded my first video, which was approximately before 3 years. I was guiding my BTech students, and for every batch I need to tell separately or repeatedly about these research concepts. So I thought, why not to prepare a video? So I had prepared my video and I had just uploaded that video on YouTube. But within the first 6 to 8 months I didn't receive a good response. But when I get back after 1 year, then this video has become viral. And then I got few thousand views, and then I started uploading the similar kind of videos. Because of this response, recently we have received a Silver Play award from YouTube, and I was also thinking to do something different, something big for you, and hence today I am here with one surprise for you. And obviously that surprise is nothing but our app My Research Support, which is currently live, which is launched. So this is available on Android devices, this is available on iOS devices, and you can also access it through the web portal. Okay, first let me explain why we have formed this platform, as I was uploading the videos through YouTube as well, but obviously it has some limitations. So this app My Research Support will be having two domains. Through one domain we'll be supplying your study material freely. Okay, that study material will be in the form of PDF, Word or PPTs. As you might have seen this video thumbnail, we have already uploaded the UGC Care List 1 journals, then Scopus journals and Web of Science journals. In Web of Science, basically the separate list have been uploaded like ASCI, SSCI and SCIE, and our team will upload the updated list of journals in the first week of every month, so that you can easily download. The only thing you have to first download our app. So you can download that app from the Play Store, and the link is also given in this video description. If you want the journal list from any other category, do let us know in the comment box. We will definitely include under that folder in our My Research Support app. So this is basically a first domain. And the second domain is obviously My Research Support is right now associated with a number of experts. These experts have done their PhDs in different fields. These experts have also experienced in guiding their students, and along with this expert basically will be launching with some courses, and those courses will be obviously in the form of pre-recorded sessions plus some interactive sessions. These interactive sessions can be done through Zoom meeting, so that one-to-one interaction is possible, which was not possible obviously on the YouTube. So through this second domain on our app My Research Support, we have launched total 3 courses. So all these courses I'll be introducing here today with some discount coupons. But prior to that, let me first explain that how to download, how to install that app. So if you are an Android user, then yes, you have to move to the Play Store, you have to download My Research Support, and then you have to provide your mobile number, and you will receive an OTP on that mobile number, and that you have to enter here. So once you enter, you will be redirected to the home page of our app. Okay, so if you are trying to log in from country other than India, then basically you need to log in with your email ID. You will receive OTP on your email that you have to enter. Then basically you will be redirected to our home page. And if you are using iOS system, then also you can download our app. But for that, basically you have to download this My Institute app, and in that My Institute you will be asked to provide organization code, ORG code. So our organization code is capital MDEPY. This code you have to provide in this space. Once you do that, then you will be asked to provide your mobile number. Okay, you have to provide your mobile number. In case you are logging from outside India, you will be asked, you will be having another options of email. You can just put your email ID and the OTP will be received on your email. And once you enter that OTP either through email or either through your mobile number, then basically you will be getting this home page, or you will be able to install our app successfully. But as we have already launched our Android app, but this app is still in process and it may take up to 15 to 20 days. So you can just wait for 15 to 20 days, or there is one more option for iOS users. After 15 to 20 days, obviously you can download and you can use in iOS system as well. But the next option is you can move with your web if you are using your laptop, PCs, and if you are more comfortable with that, or simultaneously along with the Android app or iOS app you have to use the web portal, then also you can use this web portal. So the link is given in this video description. So this is the link. So you have to just move to this website, and then basically you will be asked, here also you will be asked to provide this organization code. So you have to put here our organization code MD EPY. Okay, then you have to enter your mobile number. In case you are trying to log in from outside India, you have to provide your email instead. Okay, and then also you will receive an OTP that you have to enter, and then you will be able to use our online interface of this My Research Support. Okay, so now let us start with the courses. So the first course is plagiarism and techniques to avoid. So in this course basically we will be starting with the very basic. We will see what is plagiarism, what is similarity, which plagiarism tools, which plagiarism checkers we should use, whether we should go ahead with Turnitin, Urkund, Authenticate, Plagiarism Checker X, etc, etc. How to stay away from the risk of saving document, what exactly the repository, what does the non-repository means. So how much percentage your document should be having in order to getting it accepted in the journal, in order to getting it accepted in the universities while submitting your thesis or dissertation. What are the different research tools? Those will help you to reduce or avoid plagiarism or keep plagiarism as low as possible. So we will be discussing all these research tools. We'll also be discussing some advanced techniques. So in the very first stage basically we will provide you structurized videos, and later we will be having some hands-on training that we will take one document, we'll apply all these research tools, techniques to that document, and we'll see how this percentage will be reduced and how you can ensure your documents percentage as low as possible. So at the end of this course you will be able to make your document completely plagiarism free. But in order to subscribe for this course, obviously you have to pay some amount. You have to pay INR 1199, and for first 100 users they can use this coupon code first 100 PC is for plagiarism course. With this coupon code they will be getting 20% discounts. So around at 900 you will be getting this course. And now our second course is writing review and research articles, a step-by-step guide. So friends, we will start with the very basics. Means first we will see how to categorize your written text. Means whether you have to go ahead with the research article, review article, technical note or short communications. And then we'll be discussing 5 important research tools that every researcher should know while writing their review articles or research articles. So we'll be discussing all these tools in detail. We'll see their demonstration, we'll see how to use these individual tools, and then we'll be starting with the how to write review articles. Means we'll start with the title, then we'll come to the references, we'll discuss citations, references, styles, individual sections in detail. Okay, once we finish with this review article, then probably we'll be starting with the research articles. Okay, first we will discuss what is the difference in between review articles and research articles, and here also we'll be discussing individual sections in detail. Here also abstract, title, abstract, introduction, then the experimental section, results and discussions, till conclusions, references, and even appendices. So all these things we will be discussing in detail. So once we finish all these topics, we will proceed towards some live sessions or interactive sessions where your queries will be resolved, your questions will be answered. So in this way, this course is structurized. We start from very basics and we'll be discussing some advanced things as well. So as we have discussed here also, by using this coupon code, first 100 paper writing PW, this course you will be getting 20% discount. The course cost right now is 1999. On this 1999, if you are applying this course, then basically you will be getting 20% discount. So now let us start with our third course, which is again the most important course, your personal guide. So friends, are you a researcher? Have you started your research journey recently? Are you doing your master's project, PhD's projects, or any other research project? And do you want to publish your research or review article in high reputed quality databases journals? And in this whole process, you are not getting any kind of help from your thesis or research supervisor? Then don't worry, we are here. So we'll be launching our course, Your Thesis Supervisor, Your Research Guide, a personal guidance. And under this course, you will be trained through 3 different stages. So in very first stage, basically you will be provided with high quality pre-recorded structured videos from different fields, and once you go through all these videos, in second stage basically some interactive sessions will be taken place, and your queries will be resolved. Whatever queries you coming across while going through these structurized videos. And then in second stage, basically we'll be discussing your area of research. Okay, we'll understand your area of research, and based on that we'll assign some experts to you, and these experts will be in continued contact with you through this interaction, live interactions through this Zoom meet, so that your queries, your questions on every stage of your research will be resolved. I know the cost of this course is INR 999, but for first 100 they will be getting 50% discount. So they have to use this coupon code first 100 PG. PG is for personal guidance. With this coupon code, basically they will get 50% discount. I know the cost of this course may be little high, but there are some team members and experts involved into it, and we need to pay from our side. So friends, I have given all these links in this video description. That web portal link is also there in the video description, so please refer this video description and download our app. And if you'd be having any kind of suggestions, please do not forget it to mention in the comment box. Those comments will help us to improve. So thank you very much.